What's up, traders? Julian here from JLewisTrading.com doing a review on OBLN. And today was today's mover. OBLN is something that I put out in chat, and I was saying everybody got to watch these levels. There could be some movement around that 170 level. Could potentially be a follow-through day from the prior movement that we saw yesterday. And in fact, we were right. Now, what I was looking at with OBLN, and it shifted my perspective on this stock, is generally speaking, I would have been open to trading the breakout from 170 up into this 190 level. Not a bad small 20-cent play. Having said that, OBLN in the pre-market did something that I absolutely love, and anytime I see it, I become an absolute bull on dip buying. Now, what you'll see right through here is that OBLN, first and foremost, yesterday had a very, very strong day. So there was the possibility that this thing trading up pre-market could potentially be what's called a follow-through day. So with OBLN today, we got this nice flag, and then price action kind of got flat, double topped, and then transitioned into this consolidative situation right through here. Now, a lot of people would say, well, consolidation, I don't know what to do with that, but I'll tell you what. If we actually look down through here at the MACD histogram, you will see that during that consolidative period, we had an uptick in momentum. And so that's what's called bullish divergence. This is something that I teach and talk about in my boot camp classes, and it's something that I talk to my mentoring students about. It's something to always watch. I'm always saying if you see bearish divergence and you're long, you're going to want to look to mitigate risk and potentially even dump your position. When you're looking to get long and you see flat movement or downwards movement, but there's an uptick, bullish divergence in that MACD histogram like we see right through here, it should be something that piques your interest, and it did with me. As soon as I saw this and I saw that that momentum was shifting while price action was consolidating pre-market, it got me into a situation where I thought maybe I should start looking at a dip buying opportunity. As soon as I did that, I saw something very, very interesting right through here. Price action was actually being held down a little bit by this trend line resistance level. And as soon as the market opened, literally when the market opened, there was a nice reset on that MACD histogram, and price action took that level out and moved right up into that 170 level. I was getting long at about 145, I want to say, and I punched that right into 170. It was a very, very quick trade. I want to say that I was in this for as long as 8 or 9 minutes. That was the day. Put some decent size on, paid out very, very well, and that was the entire day on OBLN. Yes, it pulled back, had some VWAP support, and then rallied even higher. Didn't bother with that 170. I was in a very, very simple situation where that trendline resistance broke out, that momentum was setting. This is the area where you want to focus on getting long. You want to get in front of the trade, so when it breaks out with all of your ducks lined up in an order, boom, you get hit and you're good. And this thing rallied very, very hard. And again, right through here, up into here, that's a 2-bar, 10-minute play. I was in this for, like I said, 7 or 8 minutes max, and I was done trading for the day. This is not difficult stuff. Join me in the boot camp. It's coming up July 10th. The link is actually going to be in the description box below. This is something that I'll be teaching you in the boot camp. This is something that both boot camps that I've already done and the one that we're in right now have learned how to do. People are seeing a ton of success using this strategy. Join me in the boot camp, learn how we're doing this, and if you're curious about how some of your community members are doing in the boot camp, check out some of the links below. We've got a number of interviews, all from our boot camp students that are absolutely hammering this strategy. If you have any questions, I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. And again, check out the links below. Listen to what your community members are saying about the boot camp. Get involved starting July 10th. We will see you there. If you have any questions, info@jlewistrading.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe.